I mean, you know that feeling. You're about to give a presentation, or you get some bad news, and boom, your body just takes over. Your heart is hammering against your ribs, your palms get all clammy. But have you ever really stopped and wondered why? Why does our body do that? Well, here's the thing. None of that is random. Not a single bit of it. The best way to think about it is like an emergency broadcast, a system-wide alert that comes directly from your brain. It's this super organized sequence designed for one thing and one thing only: to keep you alive. It all happens in a split second. First, your brain senses some kind of threat. And look, that could be a real physical danger, or it could just be a terrifyingly close deadline. Then your nervous system fires off the signal. And finally, that signal tells your body to release a flood of two key hormones, adrenaline and cortisol. Yeah, a great way to think about adrenaline and cortisol is that they're your body's first responders. They're like the paramedics of your internal system, showing up on the scene to get every part of you ready for whatever's coming next. This is what high alert actually feels like. Your heart starts pounding to pump more blood to your muscles. Your breathing gets quick and shallow to suck in more oxygen. All your muscles get super tense, ready to move. You start sweating to cool your body down ahead of time. And get this, your liver even dumps a shot of pure sugar, glucose, into your bloodstream for a quick burst of energy. And this is so important to understand. These feelings aren't a sign that your body is broken or glitching out. They are features, not bugs. Every single one of them is perfectly designed to help you either fight off a threat or run away from it, the classic fight or flight response. Your cardiovascular system obviously goes into overdrive. Your heart is working way harder and your blood pressure shoots up. Your respiratory system is working overtime to get oxygen, but what I find fascinating is what happens to your digestive system. It actually slows way, way down. Your body basically decides, hey, digesting that sandwich isn't the top priority right now, which, by the way, is why chronic stress so often leads to that knot in your stomach feeling or other tummy troubles. So what this all really means is that your body becomes laser focused. It's like an entire city during a blackout, rerouting all the power to just the essential services. In this case, your muscles and your brain's alertness. So here it is. In the short term, for a brief crisis, a little bit of stress can actually boost your immune system. It gets it ready in case you get injured, but, and this is a really big but, when that stress goes on, when that alarm bell is ringing all day, every day, it does the exact opposite. It actually suppresses your immune system, making it weaker over time. And this, right here, is the core of our modern problem with stress. This incredible survival tool was designed for short, intense bursts of danger, but it becomes a huge problem for our health when it's constantly being triggered by traffic jams, work emails, and social media notifications. So the crucial point really is this, and it's kind of wild to think about. The very same system that was designed to save you from a saber-toothed tiger is what can now make you more likely to catch a common cold. It's an incredible irony of our evolution. Which, leaves us with a really big question to chew on. This amazing, powerful survival response was built for ancient dangers that are mostly gone. So the real challenge for us is, how do we learn to manage it? How do we calm it down in a world that is just full of constant, nonstop alerts?